welcome to Cherokee Now. Today we have Bonnie Claxton joining the show. Welcome to the show, Bonnie.
Thank you.
So today we're going to discuss your work with the Legal Assistance Office, and in particular, wills and child custody. So what is the Legal Assistance Office?
So we are a tribal program, and we provide essential legal services to enrolled members.
Okay. When should people call you?
If they've got a legal question, they can always call us. Even if it's something that we can't handle for them, we can always try to point them in the right direction.
Okay. Tell me about child custody cases.
So with child custody, if you've got two people who have a child and they're not living in the same place, then they may need a child custody order. And basically that's when a judge says, this is when the child's going to be with mom and this is when they're going to be with dad, or even if it's a non-parent caregiver, those people are sometimes eligible for child custody order also. And it kind of helps people make sure that things are organized for their kids. Okay. It doesn't necessarily have to go to a trial or anything like that. It's usually worked out between the two people without having to do that, and then we can just get a judge to sign it, and that makes it official.
Okay, great. Who would need to call you about child custody?
So anybody that has questions can always call us, and we can advise them if that's a good idea or not. But especially if there's somebody that splits up, or if there's a grandparent or another caregiver that's having a hard time with the school or needs some more certainty about where the kids are going to be when, they should give us a call.
So if someone goes through with this child custody need and they decide to set up a meeting with you or your staff, do you have a fairly private location for them to come to?
Yes. We're located in the Gingerlin Welch building behind the library, and we would always meet with people confidentially, and anything they say to us is confidential. We are not allowed to share that with anybody.
Does this service cost anything to the members?
No, this is free for enrolled members. There is a financial guideline, a qualification, so we do an income check. Okay. But people can always call us, and if we can't help, we try to point them in the right direction.
Okay, great. So let's talk a little bit about wills. What are wills?
So a will is when you decide what's going to happen to your land and property after you pass away. Okay. So it's really something that a lot of people don't love to talk about. Right. But it's not for the person who's writing it. It's really for their family. Okay. To help make things more smooth after they're gone.
Are there situations where not having a will can lead to a big disturbance, I guess, in the community or in a family?
Definitely. And we really write wills in a way that we try to minimize that as much as possible. The biggest reason that I think enrolled members should do wills is with land. Okay. Because you've probably heard of people who have land that's been split up over generations between lots of different people, and it's really makes it hard to do anything with it. Right. The other thing is if you're an enrolled member and you've got a spouse or a first descendant child that you want to leave land to, the only way you can do that is through a will.
Oh, really? Okay, interesting. So the word of mouth isn't strong anymore.
Right.
Word is not bond.
Right. That's what lawyers are always trying to tell you.
So who can get a will done through your office?
Any enrolled member and their spouse can get a will done with us at no cost.
So even a non-enrolled spouse?
Yes, even a non-enrolled spouse.
Excellent. So why should someone do a will in the end?
Really, it makes things simpler for the people that are left behind. Okay. And it can also give the person that's writing it peace of mind that when they go, they know what's going to happen to their things and their land, and that's going to be binding. Okay, gotcha.
So recently I've seen a flyer out for the estates information session. What is the estates information session?
So after somebody passes away, if they've got land or property that items that they need to be distributed. Okay. That has to be done through the court, and it's called filing an estate. Okay. And we get a lot of questions about that when people pass away. So we're going to start doing monthly information sessions. Okay. Just to try to answer questions about what is an estate, how do I open one, what documents do I need to gather to try to help simplify things for people.
What I'd suggest is after you do a couple of your sessions, come back on and let's do a Cherokee Now where we can kind of regurgitate those questions and get that information out all at one time, so for follow-up questions we'll have it all in one place.
That sounds great. Thank you.
So how do folks get in touch with you should they want to do a will or child custody or any of the other services that you offer?
They can come see us at Gingerlin, or they can call us, which is 359-7400.
Okay, 7400, 359-7400. Was there anything else, Bonnie, before we wrap out for the day?
That's all for now.
All right. Well, that'll be it. All right. So that's all for today. If you're listening at home and would like to comment on the show or ask questions regarding what we've discussed today, Please comment on our EBCI Cherokee Now Facebook page at facebook.com/Cherokee Now. We'll see you again soon. David,